A nuclear explosion is one of the most powerful events humans have ever created. In less than a second, it can release more energy than entire cities use in years. So what actually happens second by second when a nuclear bomb explodes? It starts with a nuclear reaction, either fission or fusion. In a fraction of a second, atoms split apart. Massive energy is released. Temperatures reach millions of degrees. That's hotter than the center of the sun. A blinding flash of light appears instantly. Within milliseconds, a massive fireball forms. Everything nearby is instantly vaporized. The air itself ignites. Temperatures can melt metal and concrete. This fireball rapidly expands outward at incredible speed. Next comes the blast wave. A powerful pressure wave moves outward. Buildings collapse, windows shatter kilometers away. This shock wave is often what causes the most destruction over large areas. At the same time, intense heat spreads outward. Fires can start far from the explosion. Radiation is released. Radiation exposure can cause serious long-term health effects, even for people far from the blast. As hot air rises, it forms the iconic mushroom cloud. Debris and dust are pulled upward. Contaminated particles spread through the atmosphere. This can lead to radioactive fallout, affecting areas far from the explosion. After the explosion, fires continue to spread. Infrastructure is destroyed. Radiation can remain dangerous for years. The long-term effects can impact both people and the environment. A nuclear explosion isn't just one event. It's a chain of devastating effects happening in seconds. And understanding it reminds us just how powerful and dangerous this technology really is. Like what you saw? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.